Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can delete your DNS cache by executing a simple command. For that, let's get started. First of all, you have to open CMD, run as administrator. And now here you have to type IP config / flush DNS. Now you can see successfully flush DNS and remove cache. So why we need to flush DNS or delete cache object? For that, you can see here DNS cache stores the IP of every website you visit. For security purpose, anyone with access to your computer can look at your DNS cache and see what website you have visited. By launching the simple command IP config / display DNS, clear bad connections, remove all DNS data, flush DNS and clearing and this tells how to do. And that's it for this video. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, like and share my videos and subscribe my channel and follow me on Twitter, and bye bye.